I have a Mobicel R7. If you have any Mobicel phone, so you can stuck on logo. You can see here stuck is logo. So how we can fix is very easy. You can fix at home any phone Mobicel you have it. So you can fix it very easily. Just simply do like that. Simply take it off battery, and you can see here I have R7. So then put battery, then simply power button and volume up, so press and hold it, leave it, power button and hold it, volume up until when you see reset settings, leave it. So when you leave it, so you can see here factory reset, click here, then press power button, again click here. Okay, yeah, it's going right. So you will see now we're going to fix stuck on logo. So you can see here done now. So you can go next.